Okay, Meena ma'am, it's your turn.
Hello, good evening, respected teacher and my dear friends. It's me, Meena Khatrikumar. I am from Dading, Dunibesi, One Monty Place. I am going to tell about a story. In my story topics is a fox and crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of meat. It, of hungry fox came here. His mouth is watered when he saw a piece of meat. When he saw a piece of meat, thousands of plant it thousands of plant get it. He he proceed. Sorry, sir. He proceed. The fox proceed crow's voice, and the fox said him to sing a song. The said to him, sing a song. When the crow sing. When the crow sing. The piece of meat. When the crow sing a song, the piece of meat fell down. The fox at it. The fox go away. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Meena ma'am. Okay, uh, now Nima ma'am's turn. Nima ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, you can begin.
Hello, good evening, teacher and my friends. I tell I tell story. The greedy dog. Once there all a greedy dog. He hungry and was looking for something eat to eat. He walked across and small bridge. He stayed and spot a bone. This looked delicious as a bone. He picked up the bone in his mouth and ran to his house. While crossing the bridge, he looked down the water. He saw his own reflection and mistook it for another dog. He thought missed himself. The dog in the water also hates piece of bone. I will have two bones. I grow look at his reflection. The reflection to growl back. Then he barked at the reflection. Wolf opened his mouth. The bone fell into the water from his mouth. The water spent, and only then a dog realized that another dog was his own reflection, but it was too late. Else, he had lost the peace because of his greed. Now, there was no way he had to greed go hungry. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nima ma'am. All right. Okay, now it's Srijana ma'am's turn. Srijana ma'am, are you there? Are you ready?
Yes, sir, but same poem, sir. The Fox and Crow.
Okay, same story. Okay, fine, no problem. Please, you can begin.
Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of meat. A hungry fox came here. His mouth watered when he saw the piece of meat. He threw off a plan to get it. He praised the voice of crow. The fox set him to sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth to sing, the piece of meat fell down. The fox ate it and went away. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Srijana ma'am. And okay, Sangita ma'am also has arrived. Okay, Sangita ma'am, now it's your turn.
Yes, okay, sir. Once upon a time, there was two best friends, Neelam and Sita. They were best friends from childhood. Sita was supportive and active. Neelam was Neelam was kind and helpful. Both are beautiful as well as help each other. One day, Neelam and Sita fighting at the ground. They uh, both of them finish their relationship. Finish, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Sangita ma'am. And Manju ma'am, are you there? Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, you can start.
Once upon a time, one fox was very hungry. He was searching for food. He saw a tree of grapes. There was a tree full of grapes. Fox thought, wow, how sweet this grape will be. The fox wanted to eat that grape. The fox jumped and tried to reach the grape, but grape was too high and couldn't reach the grape. He tried several times, but he fell down. The fox said that grapes should be sour and returned his home. Thank you, sir.
All right. Okay, thank you so much, Manju ma'am. And Indu ma'am, okay, will you also tell a story or not? Indu ma'am,
Today, sir?
today, yes, or will you tell on Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And okay, it's like before we start our recording, I will just give some feedback to you. First story was given by Maya ma'am, and okay, she had told her own story. Okay, it's also totally fine, and the way she had spoken was really nice. And some of the repetitions were there in the middle. Okay, but next time I think you do much more better. And the way you have spoken, grammar was also correct. Most of the sentences were correct, and it's totally fine. I appreciate your work. And second, we had seen Mina ma'am's story. Okay, Mina ma'am. Okay, you are also trying your best. Okay, I know that you are practicing a lot. At the same time, you have to do more practice, and it seems like okay, you are just trying to memorize and speak the story. Okay, you are doing really well in this part. At the same time, okay, story just like while telling story, it should be just like natural rather than just like you are memorizing and speaking. Make it realistic next time. And next, just like if you have difficulty in pronunciation, every student, okay, I had already just like told a dictionary you have to download. Okay, some of the words were mispronounced, just like praised, praised, Mina ma'am. Okay, and you were pronouncing that word in different forms so that we didn't understand its meaning. Okay, just like the fox praised, the fox praised the voice of crow. You have to tell. Yeah, the word praised was not pronounced properly. That's why pronunciation is also very important in speaking. Okay, that's all I would say. And next time, be realistic rather than just like memorizing and delivering the story. Okay, now Uston. Mm,
सर आजको चाहिँ रेकर्ड नगर्नुहोस् होला है हामी फेरि सन्डे प्र्याक्टिस गरेर आउँछौँ
Sunday again, you have to do
हुँदैन त्यस्तो
next story. Uh, Nina ma'am. Okay, you also tried your best. Okay, I love the way you have told the story, but I think you were seeing just like some papers in the middle of some sentences. Am I right? Or were you telling by yourself, Nima ma'am? Okay,
हजुरको भोइस अफ भयो
yeah, Nima ma'am. Okay, the way you were giving your speech or that story was very nice. Okay, but try to give from your own. Okay, all the best. And after that, if we see Srijana ma'am, the way she had told was okay, it was fine, I would say, but she was turning off camera, and I don't know whether she was looking at paper or was she telling from her own side. It was really difficult, but the way she had spoken was very fine. If she had told without seeing the paper, then it's very nice. And if we see the story and evaluate the story of Sangita ma'am, okay, she had tried her own. We can see, yeah, uh, without seeing the paper, I think she had delivered her story. It was fine, though it was short. You can just like make it a little bit lengthier. And Sangita ma'am had told a story, and she finished that story in the middle in suspense. I think we can listen second part of that story also next time. Okay, and if we have to evaluate Monju ma'am's story, then she had also delivered in very nice manner, but I don't know whether she told by herself or she read some it's like writing part. I request you to tell from your own side, do practice and tell, and you'd be better speaker, no doubt. Okay, Maya ma'am. Okay, don't worry. The way you have expressed yourself was very fine, and okay, don't try to be perfectionist in the first day. It's like, oh, I'll do my best. Don't think that. Okay, you have to do best. You have to think, but there may be some mistakes. Okay, you have to accept those mistakes. And Sunday again, if you wish, then I'll give time for Sunday as well. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, thank you, students.